Hi, my name is Aiden, and today I'm going to be reading The Duckling Gets a Cookie by Mo Willems. I do not like the look of that title. The Duckling Gets a Cookie. Hello. Scoop, scoop. Goody, scoop, scoop. May I have a cookie, please? Oh, thanks. Flappy flip flap. That was very nice of you. Oh, look at all these nuts. Those nuts. Hey, how did you get like that cookie? I asked for it. You asked for it? Say, does that cookie have nuts? Yes. So you got a cookie with nuts just by asking? I ask for things all the time. I asked to drive the bus. I asked for a hot dog party. Do I ask for candy? I do. It doesn't have to be a big bus, you know. I'll ask for a French fry robot, and every now and then, and I've asked for a walrus. Right now, I'm asking why, why? Oh, there's more. Sometimes I ask for a hug, or I'll ask for one more story. I can't count the times I've asked for my own personal iceberg. I asked to stay up late, eat, but do I get what I asked for? Oh yeah, I'm good to ask. I am the askiest pigeon in town. No! It's not fair. Flappy flap. Ducklings get everything. Pigeons like cookies too, especially with nuts. Why did you get that cookie? So I could give it to you. And another thing. What? You're giving me that with nuts. That is so nice. Thank you very much. That is one cool duckling, chomp. Yes, sir. Goodbye. May I have another cookie, please? But this time, no nuts. The end. Thank you so much for rating that. Have a good day, Tigers.